Hey folks, this is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax Lake Ozarks, and today we're at the St. Charles Boat Show here in the outskirts of St. Louis. I'm standing aboard the brand new Sundancer 320 by Sea Ray. One of the features right off the bat that I'd like to show you is this impressive swim platform. It does extend down into the water, but you still got an impressive swim deck out here in the back. You've got great storage, perfect place to put bumpers, lines, life jackets. You don't have to track all the wet stuff through the boat. You have fusion head stereo system. You've got a control here. But what's really impressive with the back of this boat is just by pulling this handle, I've just completely changed the back of the boat. Created a huge swim pad, sun pad back here. Moving forward, one of the things that's a great feature is this new snap-in sea deck. You can see it all throughout the boat. As we step aboard, you do have outfitted with a grill. Of course, we've got a refrigerator here. On those hot days, we do have the Sure Shade sun shade. It extends out here. One impressive thing about this boat, we have cockpit air. So it does have a generator. You do have an air conditioning unit here. Also a great feature, twin Simrad screens, and then the Axios joystick. Now, as you expect on all Sundancers, we've got an impressive cabin down here. Full head. You've got sleeping area back here, refrigerator, microwave here, and then of course this table would pop up so you could use it as an eating and entertainment place or set it down as a bed or berth here. But what is not unique, or what is unique, excuse me, on all Sundancers is the fact that this one actually has bow seating. We've got 3 lounge chairs or a sun pad up here.
Yeah.
You do have your stereo control system here. But this really sets us apart from our competitors now. Again, this is Chandler Daggett, MarineMax Lake Ozarks. I'm here at the St. Charles Boat Show. Come out here and take a look at this great boat and all the other great boats we've got here lined up for you today.